Welcome to our guide on how to LingoMam. In this short clip, we will look at what LingoMam strategies fit your personal needs and your preferred learning style. We have identified 4 different student types. None of them is better than any other. They simply reflect our individual goals and the amount of time we think we can spend on learning a new language. Number 1. Chill. If you're simply here to check out what LingoMam is all about, or don't have the time, energy, or the need to put in too much effort, that is totally fine. We can still see results even if we only do 5 minutes of LingoMam per day. The key here lies in being consistent and keeping up the good work, 5 minutes at a time. That can be the time you normally use to wake up, or part of your commute on the train. Start your unit with a video lesson. If you want, you can note down new words and rules to memorize them. On the following 2 or 3 days, you simply keep listening to the corresponding audio lesson. Finally, do 5 minutes of vocab review and 5 minutes of written exercises. And then you're done. Hop over to the next video lesson on the following day. This way, you will be able to finish 1 unit within 5 to 6 days. All of our learning material can be found on the website LingoMam.com. But if you prefer to listen to a podcast on Spotify or iTunes, you can do that too. Simply look for LingoMam 5 Minute. If you want to learn a language but hate traditional style grammar explanations and prefer to pick up the rules on the go, that is totally fine with us. The program is designed with flexibility in mind. Grammar lessons are merely an extra for those who'd like to know the rules. But if you'd rather skip them, go ahead. You will still pick up enough content to be able to communicate. The same is true for those of you who wish to skip the writing and reading exercises. We do encourage you not to skip the audio, meaning videos and podcasts, as these are the basis for our program. Everything else is an extra, so if you don't want to do it, it doesn't mean you won't learn. Are you a language rockstar and plan to learn at a steady pace? Awesome! In this case, go ahead and watch each video lesson twice. Repetition is key in language learning. If you want, you can note down new words or rules. On the following day, you should listen to the corresponding audio lesson at least twice, if not 3 times. On the 3rd day, you can practice your knowledge with reading and writing exercises on our website, LingoMam.com. All exercises come with an answer sheet, so you can see what you already know and what you still need to practice. Now, suppose you're a lingo ninja, like some of us, and want to learn the language as fast as possible. In that case, the best way to go about this is to watch the video twice and listen to the audio lesson at least once. You can do this either on our website or on Spotify and iTunes. Again, just look for LingoMam 5 Minute and all of the lessons should show up. We do encourage our Lingo Ninjas to take notes on phrases, grammar, and vocabulary to soak up as much language as you can. Once you're done with the audio material, head over to LingoMam.com for the corresponding exercises. Repeat them as often as necessary to get 90% of the answers correct. After that, you can just go on to the next video lesson and keep on learning. Again, all our material is available free of cost at LingoMam.com. You can find us on YouTube, Spotify, and iTunes. If you have questions about anything at all, please check our FAQ section on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to stay in the loop for new episodes and to get a first glimpse of bonus materials.